Hello students, welcome back to Physics with Safdar. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics Past Paper Solution series. If you are facing any problem in your IGCSE Physics, so you are at the right place. Follow the playlist of the channel and keep in touch Physics with Safdar for better results in exam. In this series we are solving questions from paper 2, 4 and 6. And today we are going to solve question from paper 4 Specimen 2020, question number 7 and question number 8. So let's start the solution. This is question number 7. The circuit of figure 7.1 includes an immersion heater and a 6.0 volt battery. In part A, state the name and purpose of component X. Look at the diagram. What are the components we have? This is battery of voltage 6.0 volt. This is unknown component. You need to write its name, heater and ammeter for measurement of current. So in the first part you need to write the name of component X. For that you need to learn the symbol of components. If you see the symbol like that, it is a variable resistor. So you can write here the name of component is a variable resistor. Second part, what is the purpose of this component in this circuit? Look at its name, variable resistor. Mostly resistors are used to control the current or change the current in the circuit. More resistance gives a low value of current and low resistance gives high value of current. So you can write here the purpose of this resistor is to control current or change current. Part B. The heater is designed to work from a 3.6 volt supply. It has a power rating of 4.5 watt at this voltage. Underline the number, voltage across heater, and its power rating 4.5 watt. By considering the current in the heater, calculate the resistance of component X when there is the correct potential difference across the heater. Simple is that this is variable resistor component X and you need to calculate its resistance. Remember few things. What is the formula for resistor? You can simply use resistance is equals to potential difference or voltage divided by current. That means you need to know what is the potential difference across this component X and how much current through this component. And we don't have both things. To find voltage and current, we will take the help of this circuit like that. The total supplied voltage by the battery is 6.0 volt and it is given this heater is operating at 3.6 volt. So you know well this 6.0 volt is shared with the two components. One is variable resistor and second with the heater. So you can write like this, the total voltage 6.0 volt is shared with variable resistor and heater. You don't know the voltage across variable resistor, so you can write the voltage across X plus the voltage across the heater is given 3.6 volt. So you can find the Vx by rearranging the numbers. 6.0 minus 3.6. When you subtract 6.0 and 3.6, then you get 2.4. So voltage across the variable resistor is 2.4 volt. Then you need to know how much current through this component. To finding the current, this component, first we find the current through the heater. You know well the formula of power. Power is equals to voltage times current, because you know the power of this heater 4.5 is equals to voltage across the heater, you know well, 3.6 times I. So here you can find the current by 4.5 over 3.6. 4.5 when you divide with 3.6, then we get 1.25 M. This is the current through the heater, and remember this is the series circuit. In the series circuit, current through all components are same, so we can take this 1.25 ampere through the component X as well. So the current through this component 1.25. Now you know both things, voltage across the component and current through the component, so you can find its resistance easily. R is equals to V over I, and we have calculated V 2.4 and current 1.25. 2.4 with 1.25 gives 1.92 ohms. So that is the resistance of that component X. Part C. Sometime after the heater is switched on, the ammeter reading is seen to have decreased. Suggest why this happens. After switch on the heater, it gets hot. Because of that, its resistance increases. That cause decrease in current in the circuit, and ammeter value decreases. So you can write here resistance of heater increases. That cause decrease in current. Question number 8. Figure 8.1 is a schematic diagram of an electronic circuit controlling a lamp. You can see here temperature sensor, second a light sensor, you can see a logic gate, not gate actually. The second another logic gate, it is AND gate. You have a relay, then lamp you have. The output of the temperature sensor is high logic 1 when it detects raised temperature. The output of the light sensor is high logic 1 when it detects raised light level. The lamp is lit when the input to the relay is high logic 1. Complete the truth table by giving the outputs of A and B. You need to complete this output of A and output of B. Now look at this output of A. Jump on the diagram. Output of A across this logic gate, that is your NOT gate. Recall the truth table for the NOT gate. NOT gate invert the results. 0 gives 1 and 1 gives 0. So look at this light sensor and its table. The first is 0, convert into 1, you can write here. The second is 0 into 1. 1 gives 0, and once again you get 0 here. So these are the output of A. Now you need to know what are the output of B. At the B you have this gate. It is AND gate. And remember, the AND gate gives output 1 only when the both inputs are 1 in number. So let's check the output of this B by using output of A and temperature sensor. The first one is 0. You are getting 0 at this point and 1 from here. 0 and 1. You know well, AND gate only works when both inputs are same and 1. So 0 and 1 gives 0. Check the second one. 1 and 1 both are same. It gives 1. You can write here. 0 and 0 both are same but not 1. So we get 0 here. Here we have 1 and 0. They are not same. That's why we get 0 here. So you need to remember for the AND gate, it gives 1 only when the both inputs are 1. Part B. State the condition under which the lamp is lit. You know well, the lamp lit when both inputs are same and 1 1. So we consider this part from the observation. Output of A, you know well, from the light sensor, and output of B from the AND gate. So what we do, in what condition the lamp lit? Dark and hot. Dark and hot. Because when you have dark, and for that we use NOT gate, it convert, dark means 0. It convert into 1. And when you are using the output temperature sensor must be 1. 1 means hot. That's why when you apply this condition, dark at the NOT gate and hot at the AND gate, then the lamp lit. That's why hot and dark is the right answer here. Option C. Suggest why B is connected to relay rather than directly to the lamp. Look at this. The lamp is not connecting directly with this one. The lamp is connected through a relay. So what is the purpose of relay? You need to answer this. It's very simple. If you want to operate the lamp by using a remote, then you can use a relay circuit. So here we are using relay as a remote. Thank you very much for watching this video. I suggest you follow the playlist of the channel. In that you can find all the lessons you need in your IGCSE physics. So keep watching Physics with Safdar for better results in exam. See you in the next lesson.